The Facebook Pixel is a piece of HTML code that you install into your website. It collects data that helps you to track how people have come from your Facebook and Instagram ads through to your website and what they do on your website. Actions such as looking at a menu, making a booking, or contacting you using a form can all be tracked using the Pixel. A pixel also allows you to retarget audiences on Facebook and Instagram. This means that if someone has been on your website browsing, you can create a list of people who have done that activity and target them with an ad. Let's find out more. The Meta Pixel is a small snippet of HTML code that looks like this, and you or your website developer can install it onto your website. It tracks the people and the types of actions they take when they engage with your pub's adverts. You can have a look to see how people are engaging with your Facebook ads and which ones they saw before going to your website, and you can understand the pages of your website that they're visiting. The code is free to use and can be created within an area of Facebook Ads Manager by going to Events Manager. You can go to your Meta Business Suite and click on All Tools down the left-hand side and look for the option Events Manager. This is where you can set up or look at the status of your pixel. There are some instructions on how to get your pixel set up in the comments below. When you have the Meta Pixel installed on your website, you'll be able to see the status of it in Events Manager. This shows you every time the pixel is being triggered, so you can check to see whether it's working successfully. You'll be able to see how many people the pixel is picking up on as well, and when the pixel last received a signal. This again gives you confidence that the pixel is working correctly. Once your pixel's set up, you'll be able to target your Instagram and your Facebook ads to people who have visited your website, or even to people who've visited specific pages on your website. These are called custom audiences, and we'll be discussing these more in the Target Your Ideal Audience section. If you add the pixel, you need to ask your customers to accept your privacy and cookie policy on your website. Your policy should state that you're using their data for advertising. A customer should be able to accept the cookie or privacy policy once they land on your website for the first time, and this is usually through a pop-up window like you can see at the bottom here. This basically means that once the customer clicks OK, their data can then be gathered by the business and by the pixel. These are GDPR rules, which will soon become UK law, so it's really important to abide by this. Within your policy, you just want to state that you are planning to use your customers' data for digital advertising. You can go into further detail about which apps you're going to be running digital advertising on, but that stage isn't necessary.